Time for Puffles and Hugsley sound of the day. Woof! Welcome to Puffles and Hugsley sound of the day. Yeah, jazz. Today's sound is the other E sound. Cup of tea. Don't mind if I do. Delicious. Anyway, this E sound and the other E sound, well, they're a bit confusing. There's not really a rule to know when to use which one. Just look at these super confusing homophones, words that sound the same but mean different things. Meet and meet. I am going to meet my friends, or I like to eat meat, sausages and chicken. Peek and peek. I'm going to peek round the board and the peak of a mountain top. See, what can you see? And see, splish, splash, splish, splash, where all the fishies live. Isn't that so confusing? Anyway, let's see if we can write as many E words as we can think of. Hoof! Lay your board out just like this and see how many you can think of. Well done, everyone. Did you get as many words as me and Hugsley? We got see, tree, knee. Now you don't say the K in knee. That's that thing halfway down your leg that when you fall over it hurts. Bee as in a buzzy bee. Hugsley, show them. A buzz, buzz. That's right. Keen as in I'm not too keen on salad. Sheep, bah. And then in the other column, tea, cup of tea. See that you swim in. Bean as in baked bean. Clean as in something Paul's not like to do. Dream, something you do when you're sleeping. And mean as in Paul, stop being mean to Hugsley. Woof, woof, woof. All right. How many did you get? Now let's not forget Paul's favourite E word of all, jelly beans. Ooh, I love them. And that was Puffles and Hugsley sound of the day. Woof! Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for...
Oh no, I'm in the shop.